Hi guys, so I wanted to quickly just show you how to access PowerPoint from the student's perspective. Last Friday, the 9th, I want to say, students were exposed to this. We already started the PowerPoint, so this is something that should be familiar with them, but just in case, this is how you would help them as a parent. First, the students need to go to dateschools.net and they need to log into their student portal. I'm going to show you from my side how it would be. Log in, enter your password, and then you should see a whole bunch of icons. You're looking for Office 365. Usually for the students, I notice it's over here on the right top corner. So you're going to go ahead and click Office 365 and you will notice that it is a new tab opening. So here we have the student portal, and then here we have our Office 365. So when you click here, you might see it right here. It might be one of the most recent documents, so you might see it there, or you might see it down here. They can go ahead and click it if they already have it started, but if they don't, they just go here on the side where you see all the icons, and you're going to click PowerPoint. When you click PowerPoint, you might see it now. So this is the one that I started. I'm going to go ahead and click that one, and PowerPoint should pop up. Now, I told the students they needed to have a title, 3 bullet points, and a picture. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do this. You're going to open it up, give it a second for it to load. And basically what you need to focus on is the actual content. Afterwards, the students can go ahead and play with the pictures, but most importantly is that the pictures are related to the content. So here I told the students they needed to have the title of the presentation, which would be all about Florida, and written by or by their student name. Now, as the picture, I clearly asked the students, do we want a picture of the students or do we want the picture of Florida? And we all agreed that Florida would be the best picture for the title page. One thing that we noticed is that a lot of students are picking beaches and palm trees, and what we want to focus on is students getting a map of Florida or a road sign that says welcome to Florida. We're looking for something that's talking about Florida. So in a blank presentation, it would look something like this. So they go ahead and click and write all about Florida, and then click the second box and use the write by Ms. Ventella. So I also taught children how to insert a picture. So you're going to go up here to the toolbar and look for insert. When you click insert, you should see different options. To insert a picture, you go to pictures, and you can click from this device if it's saved to your computer. The way I taught the children is to go through Bing Pictures. Bing is like a Google, but it's just used by Microsoft 365. So you're going to go ahead and plug in keywords. So if I'm talking about Florida, I would want a map of Florida. So before I had a map of Florida, I'm going to go ahead and put this one. And to just move it around, you get your picture, and then you can make it bigger, things like that. Now this on the side is the designer. So this is what students were playing with. That's fine, they can play with it, but that's not the most important thing. This is something that should be done at the very end. So let's say I do that, great. Then if you also look at the picture that I sent home attached to the student's agenda, the next topic that we should be covering is Florida's geography. So in order to add a slide, I'm going to show you how to add a slide. You go to Insert, New Slide. Now you can put title and content, but I recommend doing 2 contents. This will help the students click the picture easier. So if I click 2 contents, I can write, let's say, Florida's then I could put here. I would need to look up 3 facts. Students do have access to the social studies book, so you should be able to get it there. They also have social studies books here in class that they can refer to and work on during recess, or take pictures with their devices and go ahead and work on it at home. So I would need 3 bullet points. Bullet point 1, bullet point 2, bullet point 3. Now, sometimes the computer might act a little funny and it won't give you the bullets. So it might just be like a plain 3 bullet points like that, but not with the bullets. I'm not looking for the bullets. I just need 3 facts for each slide. So if you want to go ahead and do it like that, that's fine. Spelling is counted. You will also notice that there is like a spell checker here. So if I write bullet incorrect, it'll tell me it's wrong. Spelling, and I go here and I can look for it, bullet. Spelling is being counted, so it's important to look at it, especially if they're getting information from the internet or their textbooks. They can go ahead and copy it straight from the textbooks, but they need to be very attentive towards that. So now that we have the 3 bullet points, we can look here, click to add text, but we also see these little icons. And these icons, you're gonna go to the picture one at the bottom. We have 2 pictures and a video. The picture that you wanna look for is a magnifying glass because that'll help you search for it. So you click on that icon and you are here in images. So if I wanted to look up, let's say, beaches as part of the geography, that would make sense. But I would need to make sure, I wonder if I could put Miami. It needs to be related to what I'm talking about. So if I'm saying that Florida is full of mountains, the picture would have mountains. Now, obviously, that's not a great one because there's no mountains in Florida, but it should be something related to Florida's beaches. I mean, Florida's geography. So let's go ahead. It might say that it's too much megabytes, like too much storage. So if that gives you trouble, you can go to Bing again and look up Florida beach, and it'll put it right there. So it kind of like makes it for them. And then again, the designers on the side. So you would just go ahead. This is the same one I did. And then the next one would be Florida's history. So I gave them examples, as you noticed that I had a cat on the last one. I gave them examples because I told them that does not make sense. Yes, I like cats, but I wouldn't include a picture of a cat when I'm talking about the geography. So those are things that I wanted the kids to be aware of. This is like creating a book. You need to write, you need to include important aspects, important text features, like an image or a picture of what is being said in that slide. So if you have any questions, you can contact me through Class Dojo. Just remember that every Friday, students will be receiving a grade for the slides assigned. I have the outline in Class Dojo. So if you have any questions, I hope this video helps. If not, feel free to contact me via Class Dojo. So have a great day.